Today, I'm so excited to bring you my first impressions, unboxing and review of the LG StanbyME, a portable 27-inch smart touchscreen with a built-in battery that brings entertainment to any space. Let's get straight into it. As you can see, the box itself is pretty big and relatively heavy at 23 kilos. When opening the box, you'll find remote control, 4 screws, phone cradle and batteries, user manuals, power adapter, power cable, swivel stand, base with hidden wheels, and the StanbyME 27-inch smart touchscreen. On the back of the screen, you'll find a USB and a HDMI port, and the control buttons, which have a nice feel to them. I also love the fabric design of the back of the monitor. It really does look great from all angles. Once put together, you can see how neat and clean it looks. The screen can be moved up and down to whatever height you need. You can tilt the screen, and of course, you can also rotate it between horizontal and vertical. Because of the weight of the StanbyME, I would not recommend this for a home where you would want to be moving it up or downstairs. It's really designed for rolling it from room to room in a single level, and you'll find it rolls really well over tiles, floorboards or carpet. It's worth noting that the wheels on the base do not lock, so it's probably best to keep away from unsupervised small kids. Where the screen really stands out from other monitors is its cordless freedom, meaning you can take your entertainment wherever you go. With its built-in battery lasting up to 3 hours on a single charge, you can enjoy movies, workouts, use it in the kitchen, or to help with a study session from wherever you like. And with its streaming services built right in, you can enjoy all your favorite content all in one place, or mirror content from your phone, tablet, or laptop. With the intuitive touchscreen, you can navigate apps, pause videos, or adjust settings with a simple tap. The LG StanbyME is perfect for work or play and brings flexibility, portability, and endless entertainment into your home.